Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I would like to present my services, my IT consulting services in this video. I hope that you will give me a chance to discuss now what are the information technology services that I offered. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Empower your business with my IT consulting services. Are you navigating the complexities of modern technology? Gain a competitive edge with tailored IT solutions crafted to meet your unique business challenges. As a seasoned consultant specializing in computer organization, operating systems, and database systems, I provide strategic guidance and hands-on expertise to drive your business forward. Now, what my services offered to my clients? I have here strategic IT planning, align technology with your business goals for sustainable growth and efficiency. Infrastructure assessment and optimization, enhance performance and reliability through streamlined infrastructure solutions. I have also security and compliance, safeguard your assets with robust cybersecurity measures and regulatory compliance strategies. Cloud integration and migration, harness the power of cloud technologies for scalability and cost efficiency. I have also here IT project management from inception to completion, ensures smooth project execution and delivery. Partner with me to transform challenges into opportunities. Contact today to discuss how I can optimize your IT infrastructure and propel your business to new heights. Feel free to personalize it further to highlight specific achievements, client successes, or industry expertise that set you apart. You may contact me here in the Philippines at my mobile number 0917 384 360, in my email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Thank you very much guys. So yours truly, Dr. Jake R. Pomperada, MAID IT, MIT, PhD, TM, freelance IT consultant. I hope guys that you will give me a chance to prove that I can help you with your information technology challenges in your business or organization. Quality service at a very affordable cost with exceptional technical support. So thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.